I often tell the story about being a police officer and being posted back to Masterton. And of course the first thing that my whanaunga did was say, well, you better join our haka group. So I joined the haka group, and we were, used to perform regularly. And I had a memorandum from the superintendent, the inspector of police there, saying that I was to desist because it was unseemly for a police officer to be seen cavorting in a grass skirt. That was a sort of racism that existed. So I thought about it for a couple of days, and I replied with a formal memo saying that I would be pleased to desist once he had disestablished the police pipe band. And I heard nothing more, but the thing was, I guess, that it marked me as an outlier within the police establishment, and other things happened over my time which confirmed that I wasn't thinking the way they wanted me to. And it came to a head really in 1976 when the commissioner buckled to the national government in terms of the dawn raids of Pacific peoples. And our staff, I was a senior sergeant in Lower Hutt, were instructed to raid these homes where Samoan people were living and other Pacific people to check that they were legitimate and had, the necessary visas and so on. It was horrible. And what was worse was the way that some of the staff reacted to that, because they just took the opportunity to harass whole communities of Pacific and Maori. I mean, they were stopping anyone that looked brown. And, to them, they were outsiders of